Nak, anong oras na?
I am a scholar. I am striving hard to rise in life. My name is Mark, and also known as
Marcus! Can I borrow your notebook? Sorry. Good morning, sir!
Is that how you greet your professor?
Sorry, sir.
So bring out your phone and open Quizlet. We will be having our quiz for today. Also, this will serve as your attendance.
Yes! Good thing my phone is acting really quick, or otherwise I'll be failing in the class. Hey, what about you, Aiken?
my signal is down. Your problem. It's scrolling.
Hey, Tan, do you have a data connection, right?
Oh yeah, do you have a data connection?
I do, but you guys are probably going to drain my data.
Oh come on, don't be such a wanker.
Fine. I'm turning on the hotspot now. Just don't use it all up or that the last time that I will help you guys.
Alright, thanks.
Okay.
Fine. I can open the link. I'll just read from now.
Hey Mark, why are you not taking the quiz? You know that this will serve as your attendance. Also, this will hinder your grade from reaching the honor stage, right?
Sir, my phone is outdated. I can't open the link. I can't answer the quiz.
Alright. I'll let it slide for now. But ask your parents to buy you a new phone as most of our activities will be held online. Copy?
Oh, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Any remaining question? Once you've seen your score, you're free to go. Your participation is highly appreciated. Thank you.
Hey, Mark, what did you get?
Nothing. I didn't even get the chance to take it.
Dude, you seriously need to make an upgrade. Your phone literally survived a revolutionary.
For real, Mark? Just ask your dad to buy a new one. Just not like you're asking for another game. It is for your old school.
Yeah. I tried to talk my dad.
Took a morning ride to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head, it seems. They lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind.
Oh, pa. Sakto. Tara na, kain na tayo.
Sige na, tara.
Pa, may sasabihin pala kasi.
Oh, ano yun?
Sa school kasi kailangan na namin ng cellphone. Mabagal na yung cellphone ko. Kailangan ko talaga.
Pero wala kasi tayo ngayon, anak. Hindi pa kita mabibilan.
Pero pa, kailangan talaga namin.
Kaso nak, wala talaga tayo eh. Pero gagawin ko pa rin ang paraan.
Sige pa, sabihin mo nila sa mga cellphone na sa cellphone.
Pasensya ka na talaga, nak.
Okay lang.
It was worth a try, so why can't you say soon grow from the barrenness of dreams, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.
Boss, pwede ba akong pumali? Basta tapusin mo yung araw mo ngayon, ha? Tapos mo itong trabaho mo. Oo, boss. Gagawa ko paraan para matapos lahat ng trabaho ko. Sa kanila.
The shadows of the night haunts me and
Bakit na talaga? Ano yan? Nagpapayaman o nagpapalaki?
Sira ulo ka talaga.
Parang medyo sumisip-sip ka na eh.
Parang inaagawa mo na kami ng karapatan ah. Gising, ipunta nga, tumawag ka ng tulong. Gising. Paano nangyari pa? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang magpapagod eh. Hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yan pa eh. Pa! Huli na nangyari sa'yo. Ba't nagkaganyan ka? Pa! Pa! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ba't nagkaganyan ka?
Okay lang ako, nak. Wala to.
Pa! Pa! Sino may gawa sa'yo niyan? Ba't nagkaganyan ka? Hindi naman mahalaga yan eh. Hindi naman mahalaga ang pera para magkaganyan ka. Pa!
Okay lang yun, nak. Mahalaga, may pera na tayo. Pambili ng cellphone na gusto mo para sa pagpapalad mo.
Basta pa, magpagaling ka. Papahalagaan kita.
of dreams, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually
Nak, bili ka na ng cellphone mo. Sa'yo naman na yung pera.
JC, do you have the phone that I requested?
Yeah, I have the phone that you have requested. Here, it's a second-hand iPhone XS. I'm only selling it for 4,000 pesos because it's only a second-hand phone. Go ahead and check it. Check if the specs are good for you.
It is a good condition, even if this is a second-hand phone. See you at school.
Hey Marcus, were you able to get your new phone?
Yes, sir. Why?
I'm sorry to say this, but your grades have dropped dramatically. As you may know, you weren't able to participate or to complete your activities, especially that you know that you have no devices to use.
Sir, my grade is really that low?
I am going to give you a special quiz or activities in order for you to pull up your grades. But this time, you will still need to use a device just to pull your grades up.
I understand, sir. I work on those right away. I'm sorry for falling behind.
I'm afraid, but I already tried to adjust your grades. However, try to finish the special task or the special quizzes that I prepare for you. It will only hold your grades or try to pull it up even a little bit. That would be unfair to your classmate if you have to retake it when they already passed theirs.
I need to finish this. Tomorrow will be the submission. Yes, it's already done. Paano to? Paano kung sasabihin kay Papa to? Bahala na nga. Palit lang ako damit.
Bakit na?
Sorry, ginagawa ako. Nahulihan ako nag-AI.
Ano? Paano nangyari yun?
Kailangan na kasi talaga namin ito eh. Kailangan ko gawin para mapasa namin yung sarili.
Ano ba naman yan, Mark? Kaya nga kita binilan ng cellphone para mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Hindi yung ganyang mandadaya ka.
Sorry pa.
Ano na gagawin natin ngayon yan? Nahulihan ka na.
Parang kuha dyan sa school.
Tapos ngayon papapuntahin ako. Anong oras yan?
12 p.m. po.
Sige, pupuntahan ko yan.
We all know that Mark is a brilliant student. However, as smart as he was, we need to fail him. It is a must.
Pero wala na bang ibang way? Kahit first offense man lang?
We've already given him a chance. From the beginning whereof, we already know that he has no devices to use. I've given him a task that he can submit later on. However, he still chose the easiest way, which is to cheat. And that's something that I won't condone with.
Pero unang beses niya pa lang naman ginawa yun eh.
Sir, no matter how many times he does cheat, he still chose to cheat. He succumbed to the feeling of choosing the easiest way instead of doing it honestly. He fails the integrity. So we have no choice but to fail him.
Baka may chance pa po, sir. Pag binagsak niyo po kasi yung anak ko, baka mag-drop na siya. And wala rin po kami pambayad na sa eskwelahan nyo. Nag-iisa lang po ako nagpapaaral sa kanya. And palipat-lipat din po ako ng trabaho. Wala kaming stable na makukuhaan ng pera.
I do empathize with you, sir. However, this is the last time. I'm sorry.
Pasensya na po, sir. Tara na, Mark! Ano, Mark? Tignan mo yung mga nangyayari sa kagagawan mo. Mawawalan ka pa ng scholarship, tapos babagsak ka pa sa eskwelahan mo. Ano na ba gusto mo mangyari sa'yo? Gusto mo pa ba mag-aaral?
Hindi ko naman yung sinasadya pa eh. Yung mga oras na yun, napapaisip rin ako kung tama ba o mali yung ginagawa ko. Siyempre gusto ko rin pumasa sa subject na yun. Para sa atin, para sa akin at para sa'yo.
Tignan mo, hindi mo na alam yung mga posibleng mangyari dahil sa mga kagagawan mo. Ngayon, wala ka ng scholarship. Paano ka na yan? Ano, tambay ka na lang? Hindi ka na mag-aaral? Sayang yung mga pinagagawa ko para lang mabili ang cellphone mo. Tapos ganyan yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Paano ka na yan? Ano na mangyayari sa buhay mo?
Ewan ko pa. Siguro, magtatrabaho na lang ako. Wala eh. Nangyari na eh. Bawi na lang ako.
Babawi? Saan? Kung babawi ka man, hindi na para sa akin, para sa'yo.
Di mo naman kailangan saktan pa eh. Ito nga ako, bumabawi ako. Tinatama ko lahat ng mga pagkakamali ko.
Ang kamote mo rin no? Ang problema sa'yo, hindi ka marunong makinig sa akin. Ang hilig mo magdesisyon para sa sarili mo.
Pasensya na pa. Ito na.
Shtoy! Ano? You still have the guts to fight here? I suggest, kung pwede lang ha, kung pwede lang. Go home and talk to each other in a calm manners. Go, piss off.